Oreo. Like a boss vision with Babylon, Angry Bird, Annie, and this guy's filming us while we filming him. So let the epic thunder begin.
Nothing, motherfucker. That's it. Gabby. That's it. Yes.
Drunken thunder. IglooFest is the best.
Yo, what up, Chris? What up?
Delivery in Montreal, bro. Craziness. People are like pushing me into photography while we're already filming ourselves. And this is the non-stop epic thunder right now. Grille style with Grillon, Angry Bird, and me rocking the style. Rock the style. Angry Bird. Now, following Angry Bird. Let's go. Angry Bird. Let's